As you can see, the dominant male have pulled out from the kiln, and the youngster is that time now. They're just inside the carcass, they're eating. It's really, as I mentioned, for the youngster, I was a lot more happy here because the presence of the dominant males which are in the area is nothing that will come here and threaten them as far as concern hyenas, because they have, the competition, a lot more competition with lions. If hyena come across on the kill, if the lion cubs, what he will do, he really wants to kill the lion cubs. So for sure, because of these two dominant males, really for sure is nothing that can come close by. The cubs will always happy and enjoying the meal here. We're all happy today and very excited from the camp because it's been a long time for us. Dying to see lion cubs, and today we have met it. And we had this pride last night. It's not far from our camp, although when they made the kill around 2 o'clock early in the morning, we were all up and try to listen carefully what's going on here. And we didn't knew really for sure we will see these cubs. Early in the morning they were not here, and we wait until the right time comes for us to see cubs. It's very amazing. While we're sitting here, a female lion just comes just settled behind our vehicle. And it's very thick to see, but not very far. It's lying down. You can see now this pride. I started to relax and get to use this vehicle because really for sure, there's quite a lot of things that is running in the vehicle. For sure, don't mind if it's too hot like this. It burns a lot of energy for all predators. They tend to lie down. It's for sure, don't mind if it's too hot like this. Which it was 11 female and 2 males. So really, at the stage, we can only see 7 females and 2 males. All the rest of the females, they were all pregnant except 1 female that you were here earlier on. She have moved. Really, the other 6, they're expecting. The 3 they have cubs, the other 3 still expecting youngsters. They might have youngsters somewhere, except the 1. And as I said, it could be 9 up to 13 cubs which are around the area. So all of the females that have cubs, it will be very, very big pride again. And the safety of the cubs in the area is very good because of the males that are here. Sometimes the success rate of the cubs is very slim in the area because of the competitions from hyena, elephant, buffalo, and the leopard too. Buffalo likes to hunt lions sometimes. If they come across with the lion cubs, they're gonna kill it, really reducing the competition of the future. And the hyena too will do the same. And the lion, when it come across with buffalo, will kill it. So really you can see it's a very, very serious competition out in the wild. The weather is changing slowly. If I look at west, the formation of clouds start to form, and really is cooling down. Right in front of me here, I can see, not so far from our beds, I can see one female lion. She's just coming now, sitting down. It's very difficult to see. Straight there.
I'll have a look.
So really for sure, that means there's a lion everywhere around. We might end up counting more females today. We have seen 3 here, and the one is coming just right at the bush there, sitting and facing this way. As I said, it's not far from the camp.
I can't see her.
Very difficult. Very difficult. As the camera is a little bit high angle, I'm very on a low angle.
Too much bush.
Really, although my eyes, I'm an eagle eye, I'm very good on spotting. So even Robbie can't spot the line that I can see. Really for sure, I can guarantee my eyes are very good. She's lying there. Sometimes it can be a lot more confusing, because you can see all the pride here just scattered around in the area, so that it could be because other predators, if they want to come in here, really for sure, the lions can be ready and fight. If hyena comes or other pride of lion comes here, they might be ready up and fight, because the buffalo at night made a lot of noise. So really for sure, they're not sure what will happen. It could be other pride that likes to come in. You'll never know, because what they do, lion always encroach each other's territory, which is a lot more dangerous too. Having cubs here, so what they will do, all the females in the area, they will take direction of these carcasses and stay around. If the other male coming, they will signal the other male, which are right in the cubs in the drainage line, and the fight will start from there. And the female that having cubs will have a chance to move the cubs away from the area where it will be interaction of the other pride. So really for sure, and the male will come and fight for the new pride that might be coming in.